Hey guys, I wanted to show you this really easy DIY to do with the Essential Gem Aquamarine powder that I just came out with. It literally launched last week. This is so simple and really nice and hydrating for your skin. All you have to do is mix up a teaspoon of Essential Gem powder, a teaspoon of your favorite oil like vitamin E oil, and a teaspoon of water. Make it into a nice paste. Add it to a bowl, get it really nice, and then apply it with a brush to your face or any part of your body where you feel dryness or you experience eczema or redness. It's really great for hydration. And leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off, take it off with a cloth, and you will see your skin is nicely hydrated. I hope you guys like this mask and give it a try. If you do, remember to tag us at Essential Gem on Instagram and hashtag Essential Gem so we can see what you do and we can repost it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm going to show you how to mix up a really easy face mask with our Essential Gem powder. You're going to use about a teaspoon of it, which is maybe about half of, a little more than half of the container of this. So you can use about half of this if you don't want to measure it. And some vitamin E oil and water. It's a great face mask for to reduce redness, to help with hydration. It's really nice and luxurious at night. So I'm going to add the powder. And I'm going to add some vitamin E oil. You can use coconut oil. You can use olive oil, which is really great too. Any kind of oil that you want to try on your skin. I like vitamin E oil. I think it hydrates really nicely. About a teaspoon of that, and about a teaspoon or so of water. This is where you're going to play around and see how it mixes in and if you need a little bit more. I always say to start with a little bit less because you can always add more. And you want to turn this into a nice paste like this. Depending on what oil you use, the color will vary in the powder. And this to me is a really nice texture if you look at it with the powder. It's a little thin, but I like it thinner. I don't like a really thick face mask. I feel like it doesn't need to be heavy on your face to sit there. You're gonna leave it on for maybe 10-15 minutes depending how it feels. This is very light on the skin. I like to use a brush to apply a face mask, and it's really nice. I'll just apply it that way, right to the skin, and just let it sit there for about 10 or 15 minutes. And you have a nice face mask. All right, so I did this hand. I'm gonna show you my other hand. I'm gonna take some and just brush it on, a nice thin layer to your face or wherever you like it. If you feel like you have eczema and you want to cool that down, you can do a nice little layer to that and let that sit on. And that's it. It's a really nice mask for your face.